Good morning, children. Class 3, Grammar, Chapter 4, Nouns, Countable and Uncountable. By now, we all know that what are noun. Noun is nothing but name of person, place, animal and thing. Okay. Now, nouns can be countable और uncountable. Countable क्या होते हैं? जिन्हें आप count कर सकते हैं. What are uncountable? Which you cannot count. Now look at the pictures and read the sentences given below. The girl is eating an apple. Here also there is a girl. The girl is eating 2 apples. In the second example, the bottle is full of water. The bottles are full of water. Now apple you can count, bottle you can count, but you cannot count water. Can you count water? No. You can count oranges, you can count pencil, you can count tiger, you can count books, you can count the pencil boxes, you can count mobile phones, you can count many things which can be counted, which are objects. But can you count something that is liquid, like what is there inside the bottle? Can you count it? No. Can you count what is there in the glass of a milk? You cannot count. Can you count what is the air, what we call the air? We cannot count the air. Can you count what is there in the talcum powder? You cannot count it. When rain showers, can you count the rain? No, you cannot count the rain. So they are called as uncountable nouns. Let us know the definition of countable and uncountable noun. Countable nouns are things we can count. For example, you can count oranges, you can count tiger, books, you can count pencil, you can count many things that are countable. Okay. What are uncountable nouns? जिन्हें आप count नहीं कर सकते. Uncountable. कौन कौन सी ऐसी चीज़ें हैं जिन्हें आप गिन नहीं सकते? पानी हो गया, मिल्क हो गया, बारिश हो गई, पाउडर हो गया, एयर हो गया, या चीज़ हो गया, आइस हो गया, चॉकलेट हो गया, शुगर हो गया. इन सबको आप काउंट नहीं कर सकते. ओके, सो दैट इज़ वाई दे आर कॉल्ड एज अनकाउंटेबल. नाउ देर आर मैनी वेज. अब हम अनकाउंटेबल को कैसे मेजर करेंगे? दिस इज़ द वे दैट वी मेजर. A bottle of milk, a glass of milk, a glass of water, a jug of water, a slice of bread or a loaf of bread, a bottle of soft drink. इस तरह से हम इन्हें measure करते हैं because they are not countable. Okay. Now let us quickly brush through the exercise that is given here. Exercise 1. Arrange the words given in the box in the proper columns given below, and one has been done for you. Now there is a box given. What you have to do is write the names from this box in countable or uncountable. If they are countable, you can write under the table countables. Let us see. Grapes, we can count grapes. Yes, so it is written under countable. You can count cows, so we write countable. Man, countable. Juice, uncountable, because it is a liquid item, you cannot count it, so we write here under uncountable. Ice, we cannot count, so we have written ice. Bottle, we can count bottle, so we have written it here. Milk, again uncountable, so here. Sugar, uncountable. Cheese, uncountable. Pencil, countable. Okay, so we will write pencil. You can count pencil. एक बॉक्स में कितनी पेंसिल आती हैं? We know that. So it is countable. Now let us see. Write whether the underlined nouns are countable or uncountable. This you have to do it on your own. आपको countable है या uncountable है आपको लिखना है. I don't like coffee. क्या है ये? कॉफ़ी आप काउंट कर सकते हैं? No. So it is uncountable. आप यहाँ पे blank में you लिखेंगे. My father uses butter to prepare cakes. Butter और cake दोनों ही uncountable हैं, so you will write you. There are a lot of windows in our classroom. ये count कर सकते हैं आप windows, so we will write C. I need some glue to fix this vase. Now glue countable भी है और uncountable भी है, because liquid glue भी आती है और stick भी आती है, so we have two different ways of writing it. You can write countable if you want. Vase is countable. Flower vase जो होते हैं, we can count them. I prefer tea. Tea is liquid, so it is uncountable. The students, we can count them, so it is countable. Class is again countable. I drink 2 glasses of milk every day. So milk is again what? Yes, uncountable. Now here the bread my sister prepares is delicious. Sister is countable, but bread is uncountable. Okay, children? So that's all in this exercise of chapter 4, countable and uncountable. You can do it in your textbook. In the notebook, you have to write this definition, countable and uncountable. You have to do this in your notebook. Write what is countable and uncountable noun. Okay, and then give example. So okay,